Hello there, Skywinders. Welcome back to another episode of Skywind007. On today's episode, we're going to show this right here, the UltraPro Universal Replacement LG Remote by General Electric. So the way I'm going to do this is I'm going to show you how to program it first, and at the end of the video, I'm going to do the review, since most people are just here to learn how to program this. So let's start. Okay, so let's start with auto code search. Auto code search is when you do not have the code for your device. To start, press and hold setup. You're going to see that light turn on. Select the button where you want to put the code in. TV, stream, Blu-ray, or audio. I'm going to select TV. You're going to see that flash once. Now it's time to send 10 codes to the TV. So press the power button. Press it once to send 10 codes. You're going to see that flashing light. Let's say the TV does not react, so send another 10 codes by pressing power again. You're going to see it flashing. Let's say the TV did not react, so press power again to send another 10 codes. You see it flashing. But now let's say that the TV did react this time. It turned on or off. So now we want to find out which of those 10 codes is the right one. So let's send one code at a time. Press volume up or volume plus. You're going to see it flash once. If the TV did not react, press volume plus again to send another code, and keep doing that to send single codes until the TV reacts. Once it reacts, it's time to finalize the process. So press the same button that you pressed before where you assigned the code. I pressed TV, so I'm going to press TV, and you see the light goes out. That means that the process is complete. So now it's time to test your TV or whatever device you're programming. Make sure that everything works: volume, channel, input. If any of those functions are missing, that means you have the wrong code and you should try a different code.
Hello, I'm Bob, and I'll be teaching you how to pair this remote to your TV. First, long press setup. You will see the red LED light up. Next, select a device button where you want your code. I will choose TV. The LED light will flash once. Now, aim the remote to the TV and press power to send 10 codes. You will see the LED light flashing to indicate 10 codes are being sent. If the TV does not react, neither turns on or off, press the power button again to send another 10 codes. Keep pressing power to send 10 more codes until the TV reacts. Okay, our TV has reacted. It is finally turning either on or off. Now we need to find out which of those last 10 codes was the right one. Let's now send those codes one by one. Press volume plus to send a single code. See if the TV reacts again by either turning on or off. If it doesn't, press volume plus again to send another single code. Keep pressing volume plus until the TV reacts by turning on or off. Keep doing that until your TV reacts. Finally, our TV reacted by turning off. Now it's time to finalize the process. Press the same device button that you pressed initially where you assigned the code. I used TV, so I will press that same button to complete the process. You will see the LED light turn off to indicate that you are done. Now let's test all the buttons to make sure they work. If any of the buttons don't work, it means you have the wrong code. Try the whole process again until you find the right code and all the buttons on the remote work.
Okay, so the next demonstration I want to do is direct code entry. That's when you have the code that you got from this list. If you lost this list, don't worry, I'm going to put this list up at the end of the video. Okay, so to start direct code entry, press and hold setup like you did before. Press and hold. You're going to see that light turn on. Select a button where you want to put the code in. I'm going to select TV. You're going to see it flash once. Now let's enter the code. I'm going to enter 1, 2, 3, 4. You're going to see this flashing as I type. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then you see it turn off. That means that your device is ready. So now you can test it with your TV. So let's try that again. Press and hold. Light turns on. Select the place, a button. I'm going to select TV. Let's do 4 3 2 1. 4 3 2 1, and it turns off. That means that it's already paired. So now you can test it and see if everything works. And again, if everything works, you're ready. If you have missing functions like the volume doesn't work, or the channel doesn't work, or the input doesn't work, that means that you have the wrong code and you should try a different code.
Okay, it's Bob again. Let's start by long pressing Setup. The red light will light up. Next, select a device button. I will pick TV. Now let's enter our code, 0131 for an RCA TV. The red light goes out to indicate that the pairing process is complete. Now that we are finished, let's test our remote. Remember, if any of the buttons don't work, that means you have the wrong code. Try different codes until all of the buttons on the remote work.
Okay folks, so we have reached the end of this review, and this remote is perfect. Everything's great about it. I like how the buttons feel when you click on them and the sound that it makes. So I have no complaints about the remote except that it's not backlit. I wish it was backlit, but other than that, I'll give it 5 stars out of 5. So thank you for watching, subscribe and thumbs up. TV.